Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying, he who offers me with lust and anger and fear, then I accept his offering. And I give him love in return. You offer lust to Krishna, you get love. You offer greed to Krishna, you get generosity and charity in return. You offer fear to Krishna, and you get abhay in return. You get fearlessness, determination, conviction, faith. Sudridha Vishwas. Sudridha Vishwas. Oh, we're fearful. So we take shelter of Krishna and we become determined and fearless and convinced and empowered. Sometimes devotees feel debilitated or dysfunctional or weak in the knees, either on Sankirtan or when they're giving a class or about to give a class, or engaged in any service they've never done or trying to do for the first time. And they're so nervous about it and they're so worried about it, which is good. That's love. To be nervous about a service and be worried about the outcome and be very particular about it and lose sleep over it, that's very good. That's bhakti. That's loving concern and attachment. But we can also, at those times of weakness or indecision or lack of determination in the face of a difficult service, it's a good time to take shelter of Krishna. Cry out for mercy. Krishna's Kaviraj says if one embarks or begins a very difficult task, he can make it much easier by taking shelter of five factors. Five factors of mercy, 5 tattvas, the Pancha Tattva. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasti Gaur Bhakti. Bhakti Shakti and Sandini Shakti and Prem Shakti and all those different Shaktis combined will make one very successful.